Escucha, it's C-Mac and I am back for another video. It is December 1st and yes, we are doing Vlogmas. So today is day one of Vlogmas and I decided that, I was like, you know what? I haven't posted in the last couple of months on here. Let's finish the year strong and let's do Vlogmas.
You're not getting it. It's not clocking to you. It's not clocking to you that I'm standing on business.
If you guys don't know what Vlogmas is, that means that I'm gonna be posting, uploading every single day in December.
Finally!
So I'm super excited for that. For today's video, we are gonna be doing something fun and cozy. I thrifted this Mickey Mouse blanket a couple of months ago. I don't know if I ever uploaded a video. I tried making a hoodie out of it and it didn't come out terrible. It just didn't come out how I wanted it to come out. So I don't know if I uploaded it or not. But anyways, and we're gonna turn it into a nice skull cap beanie. Since this is my first time making a beanie, I'm actually a little bit nervous to see how it comes out. Before we even get into it, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below what you guys want to see next. As always, stay positive. Let's just get straight into it. Play Reminiscing by Tin on Apple Music.
Reminiscing by Tin from Apple Music.
Alright, yeah, so this may have came out a little bit better than I had really expected. This is what it's looking like so far. Not on head yet, but I really love like the Donald Duck, I guess, in the middle top. Let's try it on. This is freaking cute. Y'all can't tell me this is not cute. Yeah. It came out really good, y'all. Let me know what you guys think. Oh my god. Yeah, y'all can't tell me this is not fire. I don't know if I should make something to like match it, like so I can make like a whole outfit, or if I should just make a whole bunch of these. I'm not sure. I'm kind of leaning towards like maybe sweats with like a flare, with this on the flare. I don't know. I got so many ideas running through my head. But real quick before I end the video, I want to have a quick chat with you guys. As you can see in the video, obviously, different from last year's Vlogmas videos, different from everything. It's a mess still everywhere. I'm trying to figure out my space. I just have fabric everywhere, if you guys can't tell. I got fabric, materials, all of that fun stuff. So I am going to be changing stuff around. So as you guys see, watch all month long, that my space will be changing, and I can't wait, as it's been a little bit hard trying to create, because it doesn't feel like when my space isn't neat, tidy, whatever, I just feel like I can't create and I can't think clearly and focus on the project. So that's kind of all I want to say about that. I need ideas on what I should be doing, or what you guys think that I should be doing. I for sure want to get a new sewing table. I don't know. So many ideas. Let me know what you guys want to see me do. I have tons of video ideas already for the month of December, but I want to know what you guys would like to see. Since it's Vlogmas, since I'm posting every single day on this channel, it would be a perfect time for you guys to join my memberships. If you want to support me, get early access, in-depth tutorials, little extra videos here and there, make sure to go check out my memberships. But either way, no pressure, just kind of just take a look at it. I love you guys for being here anyway. All right, y'all, that is a wrap for day one. Again, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below, support me, stay positive. I hope that you guys subscribe, as I am doing Vlogmas and doing little projects every single day. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow for day two. This is only the beginning. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.